Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got my new Tecsun PL-368, which will be on sale on the ANON-CO website starting late this month. I got a preliminary version, but this is the final production version. Okay, we're going to show you the various antenna configurations you can use for long wave and medium wave. And we're going to specifically show you medium wave. And they are, it has a built-in ferrite antenna. I don't know where it's placed, how big it is, I don't know any of that. So that's the basic way. Another way is they give you this special external antenna, and there's a socket in the top you can plug this in. And the last way, they have a hidden feature where you can tell it on medium wave and long wave to use the telescopic antenna. So we're going to try those in some form or fashion. Unfortunately, I'm in my office and I have a lot of electronics going on, so we're going to get some interference from that electronics into the medium wave band. But we're going to try it anyway. Okay, so we're going to turn it on. And we're going to do an ATS, automatic tuning and storing. It's now selected the built-in antenna for medium wave. So we're pushing and holding, and I'm going to move this closer so you can see the display a little better. It's found 7 stations or noise strong signals, up to working on 15. So it found 14 using that built-in antenna. Let's go through them quickly. Going backwards, let me go forward. All very strong.
I was thrilled. In MLS 7168. Ask through them to postpone deal where everybody. Get amazing savings.
In here I'm getting noise. And of course, it's directional. So I'm not changing the direction when I do this test.
Docks and more.
Long way.
Radio in our hourly memo.
Or even easier.
Okay, so let's go back and see 14. We found 14 using that antenna. Now we're gonna, all we have to do is plug this in. And again, this is directional. So you can see it's already picked up noise on this station. Let me give it a little bit of advantage and turn it. See if I can null that out. Nope. So there's a disadvantage. There, that's better. Okay, so now we're going to, and yes, there's a lot of variables here. I'm moving the radio, I'm moving the antenna. We're just going to try. Here we go. ATS. There it goes. Found 14 before with the built-in ferrite antenna. I'm holding it. That's a difference. Should let go here. It wants to slide off. There we go. There's 13. Looks like it only found 13. Again, antenna's directional. So let's just see how much effect turning the antenna has. And I'm going to move my camera up a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to hold on to it, and I'm going to turn this. Good noise. More noise. More noise. Better. Seems to be best right there. Now, let me turn the volume down. Most of the stations here at my location are that direction, because that direction is the Gulf of Mexico. So there are not going to be any stations that way. There'll be a couple that are between the Gulf and me. Most of them the other direction. Okay, that was that one. We got one less. Okay, let's unplug this. It didn't come up any stronger. We turn this back up. Let's just turn the radio. See, there's better. So we're going to try to keep it that direction just to keep things constant. Now, if you, with the radio on and either in long wave or medium wave, you push and hold the 3 button, it will come up and say either CH-5 or CH-A. A means it's internal antenna, 5 means it's using telescopic now. So let's extend that. I don't think it's telescopic is going to work too good on medium wave. Okay, lots of noise. It shouldn't be as directional because it's almost vertical. So let's do an ATS. There it goes. I'm going to let it go with, hopefully it won't fall over. So we found 15 on the internal, 14 on this guy, and we're going to see what this finds. This only found, it's working on number 8, it only found 7. So there's one. Whoop, wrong way. Pretty strong what it found. That's a strong station, but it's getting noise on that frequency. That's strong. That's good. That's very good. That's it. So it only got 7, so it only got half as many stations using telescopic. But like I say, if you set it straight up like this, the antenna is going to be straight up and down, which is ideal. Okay. Now, I'm going to try one more thing. See how we're doing on time. We're doing pretty good on time. I'm going to put this back down. I'm going to switch it back to the normal configuration, which is the built-in antenna, CHA antenna. So now it's on the internal TRRS antenna, which I have no idea which direction it faces or how big it is. Probably pretty small. So now I have, and we're not going to go through all of them, we're just going to see what we find. I have a listing of all the AM stations within 100 miles of me. And of course, and their factor is time of day. It's 7:45 a.m. right now. Usually they say the best conditions for medium wave is after sunset. So I'm going to go through these quickly and tune it manually and see if I find these stations. So let's get it out of memory mode. And now we should be in manual tuning. Yep. Okay, I want to go all the way down the band. 520. And there is no station at 520, so we'll move on. 530, no station. 540, should be a station, but it's 75 miles away. I won't get that this time of the day. 550, 560, noise. Is there something? There's something at 570. Now I'm going to cheat and rotate. There we go. Now let me look this up. 570 is in Pinellas Park, and that's only 21 miles. So I should get that one. I'm going to check that one on my chart. This is directional though. Okay, we're going to keep going. Hopefully we'll get through this in an hour. Whoop, wrong way. Now, ideally, what I would do is I stopped on each frequency, I would rotate the radio, but I'm not going to do that. That would take a long time. 620. That's very strong. And that is in St. Petersburg, WDAE. And of course, these stations have different power output. So that's another thing. A lot of variables. But I'm just trying to give you some idea what this radio can do.
Yeah, we talk about this all the time. But
680. So I missed one at 640, which is 60 miles. 660, which is 100 miles. I'm on 680, which is St. Petersburg again. I got that one loud and clear. And that's 12 miles. $820. So I missed 720, 730, 740, 760, 790. Those are all over 30 miles from me. Let's go to the next page. Looking for 820. 810, there was one, that's 90 miles. 820 is only 5 miles. And it's coming in strong. Matter of fact, this station overrides other stations on other radios. 860. So that is the very next one, and that's Dunedin. That's 4 miles. So as you can see, I got a lot of stations in my area. 970. So I missed 900, 910, 930, 950. And I'm on 970, which is in Tampa, 10 miles. Whoop, skipped. 1010. That's in Seffner, Florida. That's 31 miles. If my chart is right. Let me rotate it, see if I can get it any better. Nope, that's about the best. Seffner is this direction into the camera, which is south of me. Oops, wrong way. 1030. Actually, that's bleed over from something else. Try 1040, that's what it is. That's in Pinellas Park, 6 miles. Like I said, this is not a good time of the day to do DXing. $110, $1110. Okay, that's in Tampa. Okay, let's go back. Yep, 1250. Okay, next page, 1250. 1250. Boy, we missed a bunch of them. that were far away. That's Tampa.
If your family depends on your
Okay.
income and something happened to you, what would happen to them? You need...
Whoop. 1300. 1300 is Temple Terrace. That's east of Tampa. That's 22 miles. 1340. That's Sebring. No, that can't be. Let me see if there's another one on that frequency. 1340. Yeah, Clearwater. Okay, that's more like it. Sebring is 88 miles away. Didn't think I'd get that one. Yeah, that's WTAN. They play oldies. They're playing oldies. That's it. Okay, moving on. 1380. 1380 is St. Petersburg. 11 miles.
Complacent about it. Even
1520. We're getting near the end. 1520 is, there's two of them, and one is 90 miles, we ain't getting that one. And then one is at Indian Rocks, which is 9 miles. That's what we're getting. Okay. Good. 1550. 1550 is Tampa. You got that one? 1590, which is Riverview, which is 22 miles. Doing pretty good. Except I don't understand what they're saying. Should be about it. That's it. So I think I didn't mark all of them, but let's see what I did mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I think I didn't mark one, so that would be 17. So there we go. Again, pretty empirical test, lots of variables, time of day, the fact I have my hand on the radio, direction, especially for medium wave and long wave. But gives you some idea of the capability of this radio. And I think let's just do one more thing. Let's find a weak station. There we go. That's not too weak. Let's try this. It made it worse. Yep. Yep, in my office, using this antenna, it makes noise come in more, which makes the reception poor because, as you saw or heard, you couldn't hear any voice. All you could hear was noise with this. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.